Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation we shall see examples using properties of logarithms. Let's say we want to expand. This time we want to expand using the logarithm properties. We want to expand this particular logarithm, log 64 times 180 to the base 4. Okay, so the way to do that is as follows. Step number 1, we're going to use the product rule, and the product rule is telling us that if we have log x times y to the base b, we can write this one as log x to the base b plus log y to the base b. Okay, so this is what is called the product rule, and since we want to just expand the logarithm 64 times 180 to the base 4, we can write that out as follows. Let me write that here. Log 64 times 180 to the base 4, we can expand this one using the product rule as follows. Log 64 to the base 4 plus log 180 to the base 4, and that's the way we want to expand it. And since we've been asked just to expand, we will just leave it at that point. Okay, let's look at another example and see if we can use these properties of logarithms. In this example, we want to expand this logarithm log 7 times x plus 3, this whole thing to the base 8, like that. I'll put a bracket in here, that whole thing to the base 8. Here again we will come back and then recall some of the properties which we talked about. We're going to use the product rule here, and the product rule is telling us that if we have log x times y, and that is to the base b, we can expand it out as log x to the base b plus log y to the base b. So therefore, with the given problem, what we have is log 7 times x plus 3, and this whole thing is to the base 8. Therefore we can write this one as log 7 to the base 8 plus log x plus 3 to the base 8. And this is how we can expand these logarithms using the product rule. So in my next presentation we shall see more examples using properties of logarithms.